In this video, let me show you how to make faceless TikTok videos like this one here to make affiliate commission. You will learn how to create a script with a strong hook, the body, and call to action to get viewers to convert. For this tutorial, I will use this tool called Calodata to find a winning product, so we don't waste time making a video for something that are out of trend. Second, I will use ChatGPT to help us to create our script and also use it to brainstorm viral hook ideas that can get engagement. Third, I will use ElevenLabs to create the voiceover in ways you have never seen before. Lastly, I want to show you how to put everything together and publish the content the right way. I have left all the links in the description if you want to use it along with this video. You see, a faceless video can be very engaging if you do it right. It's an art form, and I want to show you how to do all of it here. Next, we need to create the script, including the hook. For this, we will follow the PASS framework, which is the problem, agitate, and solution for a quick 30-second video. Because the product is very simple to understand, we just need to make the script as straightforward as possible. One of my favorite hook is, this is exactly what to do, ... So in this case, this is exactly what to do if your pants keep falling down. By the way, if you ever wonder why ChatGPT never give you good hooks that sound like this, you're not alone. AI sucks at creating these type of hook, so until it can, we're gonna have to edit a lot of it, either by making our own or model from other viral videos. If you want a full list of viral hook ideas, I have left a complete guide with up to 100 hook ideas that I gather from months of research from top performing videos, and you can model what works in your future videos. Now back to the tutorial. Next, we need to finish up the script. Now we have the hook, and now we need the part that agitate the problem. So for this product, all I'm gonna do is say just 2 loops and just put them together like this. This simple Velcro strap can tighten your pants without a buckle. You don't have to worry about your pants falling down or the belt buckle digging into your stomach. It's more comfortable than wearing a belt, so check it out. This part uses very simple English that speaks in the format of powerful statements using active voice and get straight to the point that talk about what it is, how it works, and the problem it solves. And here is how we communicate the problem it solves. We basically talk about what you don't have to worry about when you're using this product. Just list up to 3 major points is enough to get someone to buy. So pick your pain points carefully and do a little bit of product research is very important if you want to convert viewers to sales. And if you can polish the sentences and make them to the point and short, the better it is. If you want to use ChatGPT to help you do this, here's exactly what to do. Go find the product you want to sell and copy everything on the sales page of that product plus any review comments. Paste it into ChatGPT with the following prompt. Please analyze this product description and user reviews and formulate a PASS copywriting sales letter with a call to action in less than 80 to 120 words without being too salesy. Please use grade 6 level English with active voice writing style like how Billy Mays talked. Once we get the output, we have to run the prompt a few more times to get a version that we are happy with. Next, we had to polish the script a little with some human touch by eliminating some awkward AI sentences or anything that sounds too weird. For this script here, it looks pretty good for what we are doing, so we can move to the next step. Finally, we're going to add and call to action. A good call to action for an affiliate product is to simply tell people to go check it out. That way it doesn't sound pushy and people hate being sold. So avoid all that for a social media content. Since this product is fairly affordable, we can get away just by using go check it out as the call to action. For this script, we are going to use a slightly modified voice inside ElevenLabs. For this, we will use Adam. I actually edited the original Adam to speak with a slightly more southern prosody. You can watch this video to learn how. I will paste in the script and let Adam be the voice. I like to keep the stability at around 31 to 32%, and I use multilingual version 2 to get a more lifelike voiceover. Play around to see what you get. After a few outputs, here's what the script will sound like.
This is exactly what to do if your pants keeps falling. Just 2 loops, and just put them together. This simple Velcro strap can tighten your pants without a buckle. You don't have to worry about your pants falling down or the buckle digging into your stomach. It's more comfortable than wearing a belt, so go check it out.
And it sounds pretty good and concise. And now, let's download the file and move on to editing the footage. Now let's put together this faceless TikTok video either in CapCut or your favorite video editing tool. For this tutorial, I'm using Adobe Premiere because I'm old school, but I highly recommend CapCut because it's so easy to use and it's mostly free. For this, we are creating a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio video. I have also filmed a simple faceless product demonstration that is long enough to get exactly the parts we need to fit in an 18-second video. When filming, just record as much footage as possible in one go, and you don't have to be perfect, because what you think, how things look like while you are filming, is not always the same once it's in the editing mode. And sometimes a bad shot actually looks better than you expected when editing, and you can always cut out the bad part. So inside this 18-second long video, we just need a hook, and the rest can just be the product to keep it simple. Since we are going with the sagging pants hook, there are plenty of footage we can find, or you can film it yourself and have a good laugh while doing it. Anything that is visually attention-grabbing or anything with a wow factor can work. Once you have the footage, just cut out the key highlight moments and put them together. Be sure to use original footage because TikTok will strike you with a violation if you are spamming the platform with content from other creators. I highly recommend getting the product on hand to film content yourself. Looks pretty good. Now let's add the rest of the footage of us showing the product. For this, we are going to speed up the video to appear more engaging, and I'm also going to apply some jump cuts to highlight exactly what the viewers need to see without them dwelling on unnecessary frames that can reduce the likelihood of people scrolling past the video. We can add some zoom effects either digitally or physically to make the subject in the video appear more engaging. If you can do it while you are filming, do it. If you can't, you can apply some digital zoom to get the same effect. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Finally, I'm going to move the voiceover to line up with the visual on the screen while minimizing any pauses in between the clips. Just move things around and find that sweet spot. Okay, I think you get the idea. Now we have the video, and we're going to upload it. When uploading, this is where we will pin the on-screen text as part of the visual hook so people can read it faster than they can consume the video to keep watching. In this case, it will be exactly what our script. So it will say, this is exactly what to do for sagging pants. Keep it simple and straightforward. Make the text bold with a red background to make it stand out. Make the text appear for about 5 seconds. Be sure to move the text box below where it says Shop and For You. Click Next and be sure to claim the video as a third-party brand and check the AI-generated content and then add the product through the product marketplace. For this part, don't rush. TikTok videos can't be edited once it's up, so go through the marketplace and be sure to tag the correct product. Finally, click the thumbnail and scroll through all the frames to find something that is eye-catching and use a label like this to title the video. Save it as a draft or just upload it when you're ready. You're done. Congratulations. You just made your first faceless TikTok shop videos. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and be sure to save this video in case you need to reference it again later.